Today I am reviewing the CORSAIR Vengeance LPX 32GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When building or upgrading a desktop computer, one of the most important components to consider is the system memory. RAM plays a critical role in how smoothly your computer runs applications, handles multitasking, and performs in demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, or content creation. One memory kit that has become extremely popular among PC builders is the CORSAIR Vengeance LPX 32GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM. Known for its reliability, performance, and broad compatibility, this memory kit is designed to deliver excellent performance for both casual users and enthusiasts. First, let's talk about capacity. This kit includes 32 GB of DDR4 memory, split into two 16GB modules. That configuration allows the system to run in dual-channel mode, which improves memory bandwidth and overall system responsiveness. For modern computing, 32 GB of RAM provides plenty of headroom for multitasking. You can easily run demanding applications such as video editing software, 3D design tools, or multiple browser tabs while gaming or streaming without experiencing slowdowns. The memory runs at a speed of 3200 MHz, which is considered a strong sweet spot for DDR4 systems. This speed offers excellent performance for gaming and productivity workloads while maintaining strong stability across a wide range of motherboards. Faster memory speeds can sometimes require additional tuning or compatibility checks, but 3200 MHz is widely supported on both Intel and AMD platforms, making it a reliable choice for most modern desktop systems. Another important aspect of this kit is its carefully selected memory chips. CORSAIR uses hand-sorted chips to ensure consistent performance and reliability. This process helps maintain stable operation at the rated speeds while also providing extra headroom for overclocking. Enthusiasts who enjoy tweaking their system performance may find that this memory can run at higher speeds or tighter timings depending on the motherboard and processor being used. The timings of CL16-20-20-38 also strike a good balance between speed and responsiveness. Lower latency helps reduce the time it takes for the processor to access data stored in memory. While there are kits with slightly tighter timings, this configuration offers a reliable blend of speed, stability, and compatibility, which is exactly what most users are looking for in a performance memory kit. One of the standout design features of the Vengeance LPX series is its low-profile form factor. Each module measures just 34 mm in height, making it ideal for systems with large CPU air coolers or compact PC builds. In many cases, taller RAM modules can interfere with large cooling solutions, but the low-profile design ensures that this memory will fit comfortably in most builds, including small form-factor gaming PCs or workstation setups. Cooling is also an important factor when it comes to high-performance memory. The Vengeance LPX modules include a solid aluminum heat spreader, which helps dissipate heat generated during operation. By spreading heat evenly across the module, the heat spreader helps maintain stable temperatures even during heavy workloads or extended gaming sessions. This thermal management contributes to the long-term reliability of the memory. Under the heat spreader, CORSAIR also uses a high-performance printed circuit board, often referred to as a PCB. The PCB plays a crucial role in maintaining strong signal integrity between the memory and the motherboard. A well-designed PCB ensures stable communication between components, which helps improve reliability and also enhances the memory's ability to handle overclocking. Compatibility is another area where this memory kit shines. The Vengeance LPX series is optimized for a wide range of Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards, which means installation is typically very straightforward. Many motherboards will automatically detect the memory's XMP profile, allowing you to enable the full 3200 MHz speed with just a few clicks in the BIOS. This makes it easy for even beginner PC builders to get the most out of their memory without complicated configuration. For gamers, this RAM kit can significantly improve system responsiveness, especially when paired with a modern processor and graphics card. Games that rely heavily on memory bandwidth can benefit from faster RAM speeds, helping deliver smoother gameplay and improved frame stability. At the same time, the 32GB capacity ensures you have enough memory for background tasks like streaming software, voice chat, and web browsing.